Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to test internet speed on PC. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Sometimes you may need to go and check your internet speed, as you can then see the speed you're getting. Quite often ISPs are going to go and say you should be achieving this internet speed. So you can go and do this to see if you're actually guessing it. So make sure to close your router and ideally use a wired connection like Ethernet to go and get the fastest speed. Now open a web browser just like so. I'm using Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Now all you need to do is go to the search bar at the top and type speed test. Just click onto the first website and finally click on to go, just like so. And it's going to go and start. You can go and see the live result. First of all, it's testing the download, and after that it will test your upload, and finally it will give you the final results. So that's it. That is how to test internet speed on PC. I really hope you found this very useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.